Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a Tommy Hilfiger um, piece, as you can see here, and those is a wallet. I would say it's for men, but you could probably use it for anyone. But it's more for bigger side and just as it's made. I don't know. Got a little logo branded in the bottom here. Otherwise, it is pretty plain. Got nice room here, so we got some slots for cards. Let's get rid of all these covers and stuff. Really nicely made, nice printed here. Okay, more covers. Then we got some room for driver license or pictures and stuff. More card slots. Around what is that, like 6 here? Another pocket here on that side, one here, and then one is beneath here. And then something that I'm liking. Okay, oh my gosh, there's so much wrapping. We actually got a pocket for coins, because that's something that I don't see much lately for wallets, at least for men. Oh my gosh, okay. Otherwise, yeah, nice little pattern in here as well, and that's kind of what you're getting here. Not much more I can say. Liking how it is made, liking the feel. As always, Tommy is delivering, and I think we can call it a day, and I will see you around in the next video. Take care, you guys. And yeah, until next time, Badger and out.